Hi, okay, this is a sound check for this Cigar Box guitar. Trouble in mind, it's got an Aston Flatten pickup, very low profile and quite a bluesy sound to it, I think. Nicely weighted guitar. I'll just strum it acoustically. That's in open G. It's reasonably loud like that, but obviously better with plugged in, so we'll plug it in. Give it a minute to catch up. There you go. This is through a little Fox Mini 5 rhythm amp, sorry, on a clean channel. The intonation is spot on. There you go. Labels back to front. Not really. There you have it. Thank you.